Today I'm going to be showing you installation of the wooden base super stabilizer for the KME. KME is a great system, but one of the problems it suffers from is quite excessive wobble when mounted on the wooden base original pivot. So what we've designed is a stabilizing system that just helps basically to stabilize the KME to make it a more secure system when it's mounted or when it's placed on your desktop for sharpening. First step would be to remove the original KME pivot. Then install our base. With a new tapered pivot, it already helps stop wobble a lot, which I'll show you shortly. Through the hole, into the original hole, snug that up quite nicely. Even with the, or even without the support rods, you'll see that now it already has a lot less wobble. You still have freedom to swivel, but it is virtually wobble free already. Just for additional stability, what you can do here is install these rods, threaded rods, the short end at the bottom, long end at the top. Snug those up nicely. Place the KME onto the pivot rod. Take the bracket over the top of the KME, and then simply take these small little nuts and screw them onto the rods. Doesn't have to be excessively tight, just nice and snug so the KME starts to pull down ever so slightly. And now you've got an incredibly secure system, still rotating, everything as it is, but it is a virtual, nice one-piece, very stable system. And that's the wood base super stabilizer for the KME. If you don't want the option of the entire stabilizing system with the arms and everything, we do sell just a single piece wobble free tapered pivot rod which can be installed straight onto the wood base.